Good morning and welcome to the Forex Market Wrap, brought to you by Pepperstone on Monday the 11th of September 2017. I'm Darren Sinden. So, overnight changes, price moves to be aware of. These are Friday night's closing prices from New York, and as you can see, dollar index closed at 91.3520, down 1.6% on the week. The pound continues to edge higher against the dollar, and cable finished at 132.00, a gain of 1.9% on the week. And the yen, 107.84 as we finished on Friday evening. That was a 2.2% gain against the dollar on the week. And the Aussie dollar notably stayed above 80 to finish the week at 80.60, adding 1.1% against the greenback. Now then, US dollar index looks friendless on a 3-year plot, and I think this chart shows exactly what we're talking about here. Here's the Trump rally, if you like, and the euphoria post the election, and then that major sell-off, I suppose we'd call it, all the way down to where we are now, testing back to levels we hadn't seen for the best part of 2.5 years. The question here then is, can the dollar rally from here, or will it continue to trade lower? So what's on the calendar today? Events that may move the market. A light calendar really. We've had some money supply and fiscal spending data out of China this morning, some tertiary industry index and machine tool orders data from Japan, and to come at 8 o'clock this morning, industrial output data from Italy, both month on month and year on year for July, and followed at 10 o'clock GMT by CPI data from Portugal. Canadian housing starts data will hit the tape at 12:15 GMT. That feeds directly, of course, into the Bank of Canada's views on interest rates. And then this afternoon we'll get a chance to judge how US investors are feeling about US debt, with a 3-month and 6-month bill auction at 15:30 and a 3-year note auction at 1700 GMT. Right then, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye today. First of all then, Hurricane Irma batters the Florida Keys but weakens and changes course, and hopes are now that the worst of the damage in mainland Florida will have been averted. The USA is set to push for a United Nations Security Council vote on further sanctions against North Korea and will seek to target the country's oil supplies. China's fiscal spending dipped in August, but that was after government expenditure was boosted earlier in 2017. And staying in Asia, Malaysian industrial production has risen by 6.1% in July versus forecasts of 5.3%, and that's the latest in a series of very positive reads we've had out of Asian Tiger economies. Okay, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And I'd like you to think about this really. The recovery in Europe and the USA has been inconsistent in 2017, but Asian markets have presented a more unified picture this summer, as this sector-based PMI chart shows. And this is the performance of various Asian sector PMI readings across July and August this summer. Right, thank you very much for your time. Please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and Forex on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks or you have any questions, please do contact your Pepperstone account executive.